Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world. Welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas and I day trade, swing trade, and I also long-term invest. It's wonderful to have you all here. We're live every morning for the opening bell and we're live every evening for the closing bell here on the Day Trader. We're a wonderful community of people that share their live trades with you, honest, open, transparent, not trying to sell you anything, just sharing our opinions. I'm not a professional financial advisor, but I am trading here with my own real money. This is my live trades right now. I use the Robinhood app. I'm also an investor in Robinhood, so whenever I trade, the little bit of money that Robinhood make from my individual trades means their business grows, which means, of course, my shares in Robinhood potentially increase. It's wonderful to be here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome, everyone. If it's your very first time, consider subscribing to the channel and ring the bell. The most important thing is, give us a thumbs up. And guess what? We have now a thumbs up. There it is. Give us a thumbs up. Brand new. There you go. I was trying to work out how to get a transparent thumbnail, but transparent thumbs up, but I've done it. Anyway, Mr. Love really appreciates it when you do. And we're also live on the app. We've got breaking news as well. This is our app on Robinhood. There you go. And sometimes we go big screen like that as well. And from time to time as well, we go right into the graph. That's from my shorts on TikTok. There we go. So we're also on TikTok as well. So good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome everyone to the live stream. And right off the bat, we have some of our wonderful members of our team here. Leah, who's a moderator. Kenneth Brunk, who's a moderator, who also does financial analysis for us in the live chat. You can ask questions and he will do his best to answer them. He's on his big screens from his garden trading live every day, and we've got some big breaking news this morning. Okay, we're in the pre-trade hours, so let's ring that bell. Okay, of course, we're only in the pre-trade hours. We've got just 27 minutes to go or so before we get into the main part of the day, but nevertheless, we are off and running. Now, the big news of the day, of course, we are watching because we know that Jonathan and Kenneth have positions in McAfee, right? We're looking at this here this morning and we're up 5% on the pre-market. So if you look at where we were yesterday, we jumped up and we've jumped again. This looks like a great morning. Finally the video loads. Oh, there we go. Took a while for it to load. If you're behind, if you're on the video, if you're on YouTube right now and you're watching me, just all you got to do is fast forward to make sure that you're not behind, because that could happen. You could be behind. So just fast forward to where you are now and you should be up to date. That way your chat will be. Sometimes people say, oh, my chat is a bit behind. It's because you're actually watching a few seconds behind, and you don't want to do that. You want to be fully up to date with what's going on, because we're looking at McAfee here this morning. So there we go. Right, let me just start sharing to our page and group. This was a YouTube load error. Yeah, I get that sometimes. Get that sometimes as well. But I'm glad you're up and running. That's good to see. Thank you very much. And good morning to you, Kenneth. Kenneth is our technical analyst here every morning. Absolutely wonderful, wonderful, wonderful stuff. All right, we're loading everything up for all the different groups. We have Facebook page and group as well, and we also have TikTok. All right, I'll give you all the links to that as well. All right, let's share the stream right now. Okay, good morning, Dras. Good morning, Dras, and welcome. If you're new here, subscribe and ring the bell, and of course, smash the like button. Give us a thumbs up, would be really appreciated. That shows YouTube you appreciate the video and it shows to more people, and then we get more people in the stream which we can share opinions and ideas and learn from. So there's my portfolio live on the Robinhood app right now, and McAfee we're keeping an eye on. This is a big one. We were given this tip yesterday from Jonathan, and boy was he right. Boy was he right. So keep an eye on that. We're seeing, let's see if Space is going to recover this morning. Down 3% on the pre-market. Ouch. My losses have all come from have all come from Virgin Galactic. But I'm okay with it. I'm not concerned. Robinhood today up slightly on the pre-market. But let's keep our eye on this one. I know that Jonathan is interested in this. Martin Redding is here as well. Good morning. We've got a new thumbs up. Do you like it? Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. There we go. And ring the bell. Fantastic. Love it. There we go. 9 likes already. 15's a record. Want to get it? Martin Redding. Modern tech is great when it works, which is crap shoot at times. Let me bring up those comments. I love that. That's funny. Good morning, Dras. What are you looking at this morning? Tell us what you're looking at. Some guys purchased over 200,000 shares of MSFE. Guess he wants $1 million dividend payout. MSFE. Do you mean hang on a minute. Do you mean MCFE? Oh yeah, the payout on this one. Yes. Let's expand this chart a minute. Let's have a look. Look at the level on level 2 on NRXP. Okay, we'll have a look at that. We'll have a look at that as well. Let's have a look. Okay, looking at the chart there, McAfee. McAfee, yeah. Hey, Martin. Good morning. Hey, look at the numbers coming in this morning. Wicked news. Smash the like button and, of course, subscribe and ring that bell for us this morning. Wonderful stuff. Fantastic. Okay, so we're watching McAfee this morning. My recovery needs to come from Virgin Galactic, of course. I'm down on that one. And of course, Bitcoin has been holding its 45, which means we know what that means. It means it's about to go to 50 and 60. Look at that. It's holding it there. I'm up 37% now on this one. As you can see, it's been holding this position of 45. See, all it needed was 24 hours of it, and it's been doing it. So we're very, very excited about Bitcoin taking off as well. So we'll keep an eye on that. On OCGN, I'm up. Thank you. This was a tip from Kenneth, and we appreciate it very, very much indeed. Someone is likely trying to keep the price boosted after ex-dividend drops. That's from Kenneth. Sam, good morning to you. Good morning. Lovely to have you here. I'll put your message on the screen for everybody. Fantastic. Wicked. All right. There we go. So, looking at level 2 on NRXP. This is from Dras. Okay, here we go. Let's go over to that. And we'll type that in. So, we're looking for NR. Great tips coming in this morning that we're sharing with each other. Let's have a look. Level 2. Here we go. Here's the NRX Pharmaceuticals, and I'm on the gold plan, which means I can get the order book. There we go. There's more buying. Now, level 2 doesn't really always help you. It doesn't help me. I have to be honest. It's a bit market makers play around with this. You look at that and you think, okay, great, it's going to go up, right? Everyone's buying in, but this is really second by second stuff. Very hard to gauge it. You're not really sure what's going on, so I don't know. If you are interested in Robinhood and you'd like to get some free stock, literally free stock, you and I will both get free stock if you use my referral link, and then I will share with you what I've got. I will trade it with you. So there you go. It costs absolutely nothing. You just got to open an account, so you can have as many brokerages as you like. So go and get yourself a Robinhood account. If you're in the, it's all these links, by the way, are also in our in the description below. All right, we got some breaking news as well coming up about the channel as well. We'll share that with you in a few moments' time. But we are obviously keeping an eye on McAfee this morning. Somebody's selling one stock at a time. Yeah. Absolutely. That could be me. Look, there's one person here. One person buying it at 17.28, and there's one person selling at 17.61. Let me just tell you, right? This isn't all completely transparent like we like to be here on the Day Trader, because when I put orders in, they don't even appear on this. I put an order in many times and scroll down to see if my order would appear, and it doesn't appear. So I don't you know, these figures are manipulated, so don't take the level 2 as all out fact. It's not 100%. Look down the chart, ladder attack. All right, I'll look down the chart for you. Okay, Dras, look down the chart. Oh, I see. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I got it. Yeah, all these ones. There you go. I see what you're talking about. Look at that. I don't know if it means a great deal. Now, our technical analyst, Kenneth and Jonathan, have some experience and more experience on level 2 than I do. Perhaps they could tell you what they think about it. I'm not a great fan. I have to be honest. I'm not a great fan of it. So I've not seen any any real help with it. I've got to be totally honest with you. There we go. All right. Isn't the one a lot? Example, 100 shares. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. See, because we've got 100. Look, we've got 100. We've got 30. No. It isn't. And I've done it myself. I've gone in there and I've placed an order and I've not even seen it. So to be honest with you, unless you can trade by the second, I don't really see the point of it. To be honest, I pay an extra $5 for that. I'm not convinced it's a viable investment, really. $5. I know it's only $5 a month, but you know, I don't really see. Bitcoin is about to go up to 50, and then it will go to 60. You watch. My portfolio is now increasing. Level 2 has its purpose. Here we go. We can always take a good advice from Kenneth, right? Level 2 has its purpose, but unless you're trying to figure it out who owns what volume and watch how it's trading, or a day trading and watching order volume, there's no point. There you go. Level 2 data has its purpose, but unless you're trying to figure out who owns what volume and watch how it's trading, or are day trading and watching order volume, there's no point. There we go. That's how I feel. It's got some uses, of course it has, but look, we'll show you now. Look, now that would indicate that see, that's so quick. That went down and then up. So you couldn't even react to that. You couldn't even react to that. Not the way a regular day trader like me is set up. I couldn't react to that quick enough. So, you know, remember the news that we see, the news that I bring you every day about what's happening in the markets and all this great stuff. The time we're reading it, it's already been digested by those at the stock market, those institutions, and they've already reacted to it far quicker than we can. So as much as we bring the news and we look at what's going on, we're already behind, and by the time we react, the situation is very different. We have to go for more long-term investing, and even long-term as in an hour ahead, or what's happening in 5 minutes. Trying to catch the minute-by-minute, second-by-second stuff is, you're already behind just by the sheer fact that you're where we are. So I wouldn't over concern myself with it at all. All right. So there we go. That's my humble opinion on that. Right, I wanted to share something with you, and I want to thank all of you for being part of this success story. As you know, on TikTok, you need 1,000 followers to be able to go live. Where we launched this day trader TikTok channel last week. Look, we are now 1,036. Congratulations to us, congratulations to me, congratulations to you. We can now go live on TikTok. I haven't got the RTMP yet on my website on the web, but I can go on my phone, so we can actually be live day trading through TikTok as well. So congratulations to all of us to reaching the 1,036 mark. Thank you very much for that. It's all down to you. All right, there we go. And a little update as well on the channel itself on YouTube, where we are right now. The Day Trader, we have now hit, and thanks to all of you, thank you very much, 594 subscribers. Will we be at 1,000 in the next month? Quite possibly. Wonderful stuff, and that's when we'll start getting more viewers, because YouTube will push us out to more people. So consider subscribing and ringing that bell, and of course, give us a smash the thumbs up button. Wonderful stuff. Right, we've now got over 11, which means the crowd's all here. Ruben Carrillo is here. If you're over there on Facebook, please do come over here and join us on YouTube. Ruben Carrillo is over there on YouTube. So let me go over to you now, Ruben, on YouTube, and bring you in. Let me give you the link. Okay, here is the link. I'm going to post it for you now. Stay right where you are on Facebook, and here is the link. Right above you now. Join us. Here it comes. Join us on YouTube. We really need your support over here. We're working very hard to grow this channel. There we go. There is the link for you over there on YouTube. So wherever you're watching us, please do come and join us. It does us no good at all on Facebook. It just makes Mark Zuckerberg some more money. Doesn't do anything for us. So please do consider doing that, won't you? All right. We're keeping an eye this morning on McAfee. We've got some investors in here this morning who are trading on it. So we're watching this, and we're looking for the rebound as well for me on Virgin Galactic. So there we go. It's going to be a good morning this morning when that main bell goes in just 13 minutes. 13 minutes we shall be up and running. And the volume and volatility will go up, and we're expecting McAfee to do something this morning. I'm not currently invested in it, sadly. I don't have any capital available. It's all tied up, and I don't have it available. So there we go. All right. We're now shared across our page and group. So if you follow us on Facebook, you can watch us now through the Facebook page and the Facebook group as well. So we welcome you all. If you're interested and you'd like to be part of our community over there on Facebook, here is the Day Trader page in the live chat. And remember, all these links are below as well in the description of all these videos. Wherever you're watching us, you will see all these links for you as well. All right, let's have a look. Yes, I can see that Kenneth is saying McAfee, MCFE is relatively low volume stock, and I am not used to working with ones this small, so it should be very interesting. All right, let's go and look at it as well across MC. The app gives us a good way of seeing the volume. There we go. And Kenneth is absolutely right. 1.8 million. That's not too low for this time of the morning. Not too low this time of the morning. Let's have a look at what the average is. If we go to McAfee. Right, volume. The average volume is 1.22. So yes, the volume is on average low, but we are at 1.8 already. So this is high for McAfee. Kenneth, we only normally have an average of 1.82. So sorry, average of 1.22. So we're at 1.82 already this morning. So that would indicate for McAfee high volume, even though it's relatively low. It is high for them. So we shall see how that pans out. But as you can see, it's opened up 5%. Time for a cup of tea. All right. So as you know, I didn't get a chance to sell my stock for Virgin Galactic. Hence, then it dropped and I couldn't get out, but that's fine. I'm in for Virgin for the long term. We're down 4%, so something else is boosting my portfolio this morning. I'm up, and don't forget we're running the competition for the day. Let's see where we are today. So McAfee's volume is only 40k right now. That's according to TD Ameritrade. You see what I mean? These brokerage, you got to you got to do your own due diligence. You got to do your own research. What Kenneth is saying, look at that. Look, Kenneth is saying 40,000 right now, whereas Robinhood is saying 1.8 million. That's a big difference. So, who do you believe? You have to take an overall look at it. This is why level 2 instant reacting, when we are not professional financial advisors, we're not on the floor, we don't have the latest access, we're not brokers ourselves, we're not getting second to second stuff, we are a little bit, we are homegrown investors. We have to look at it by the 5 minute, the 10 minute, the hour, long-term investing. If you're trying to beat these markets with their sophisticated technology, I like to think I've got quite a sophisticated setup, and on many levels I have. I mean, it's great, but you're never going to compete with the floor of the Nasdaq, the institutions, the big fund, the hedge funds, and all these people, Cathy Wood and all the rest of it. They have got the most sophisticated technology that they'll beat us every time, so why even try? Look at the overall pattern of where this is going, not trying to beat the market. I mean, that's too stressful for me anyway. I mean, that you'd have to make it your full-time living and be crazy. So there we go. And as a very good point there, look, you see, proves the point exactly what I'm saying. Over here on McAfee, we're seeing 1.8 million, Robinhood. We're seeing 40,000 with Ameritrade, and we're seeing 24 with Sevilla. Right, there we go. Weeble. Oh, did you mean Weeble? Okay. So there you go. This is what it's all about. You can't take all. You can't take. This is why a balance is required. Kenneth does the technical analysis. For me, I'm more of looking up into the sky. Not. Let me explain where that's going. Looking up into the sky and feeling where I feel the world is going, where I see the world changing, technologies, aspirations to fly to the moon, go into space, technology with the environment, the way we're damaging the planet, how that will affect us with infections like pandemics, what we're doing, and seeing where the world is changing and where opportunities are coming up. And that's what I invest in. And then Kenneth provides that technical analysis. But as you can see, all that technical stuff is based on information that is technically biased and flawed, and we have to interpret the best we can. So you need a balance for all of this. Jonathan says, McAfee is a young stock, when IPO last October. Yeah, it's funny, isn't it? Because we all remember McAfee. I mean, I had this as a kid. I've had this forever. I mean, so McAfee, the company, has been around forever. So it has huge track record. So it does. Maybe this is a really good play, I mean, at 20, and we're only at 29. Maybe there's a huge amount of potential in this. In there. Maybe there's a huge amount of potential in this. Which I've completely missed out on, I think, and I. The trouble is, I've got nothing to sell. I've got nothing I want to sell. That's the situation I'm in. TD Ameritrade is paid to be accurate. Weeble and Robinhood are free, so they can get away with biffing a few minor details. Biffing? Have you been watching Back to the Future? Has Biff made an appearance? All right, if you just joined us, subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. We got a great audience in here today. The crowd is here. When we're over 10, we bring in the crowd. So fantastic to the crowd for being here this morning. Great stuff. All right, where are we? We're just 5 minutes away from the bell. I'll be on it this morning. and we're keeping ourselves abreast of my portfolio. 51. Remember, 52 is my record, so if we hit 52 and we go through it, we shall blow the horn. That will be a record, but we need something to rebound. So let me have a look and see what it is, in fact, rebounding. Low volume means low liquidity. That's an interesting point. Kenneth Brunk makes a good point here. Low volume means low liquidity. That makes this trade a little trickier. I get it. That makes sense. Thank you for that words of wisdom from Kenneth. What was that one you said yesterday? Something about see every trade as a whole new trade, as a whole new play, as a whole new entry point. Forget what you did before. Look at it as a brand new entry point. That was good. I like that. I think, yes, this is where my good morning, friends. Good morning, Kofi. Hey, good morning. We've got some new buttons. Look at that. Look, do you like my fancy new thumbs up? Smash the like. Give us a thumbs up. Let's get rid of that. There we go. And subscribe and ring the bell. We've got a great crowd today. We're looking great. And, of course, if you do all that stuff, you make Mr. Love smile as well. He appreciates it very much. Indeed. There he is, Mr. Love. Thank you very much. 13 now, 12 likes. We're doing well. Kofi, good morning to you. Let me bring your name up on the screen. There we go. So, good morning. We've not got our April sisters from Italy yet this morning. If they come in, we'll be breaking a record this morning, which is great. And Theo Dio, good morning. Hi, boss. Hello, new member to the show. Good morning. Subscribe and ring the bell. How are you? And while you're here, please do smash the like button. We're a brand new channel. We bring you the most honest, transparent, upfront advice on YouTube. We're not financial advisors, but we are investing in our own money. We have wonderful technical analysis from Kenneth Brunk. He's a moderator. Leah's also a moderator in the live chat. And we got people all over the world sharing their opinion and their live trades. It's not just opinion based on rah-rah and nonsense trying to sell you stuff. What we do here on The Day Trader is we share with you what we're trading in, what we're doing with our real money, and you can watch it, follow it, do what you like. We're also live on the app as well with Robinhood. And we're giving away today some free stock. If you want to be like me and use Robinhood, here is the link. Please do click on it. And you will get free stock by doing so, by setting up an account with Robinhood, just by funding it. And I invite Kenneth Brunk, who is a wonderful donator to this channel, does technical analysis for us and gives us great tips like OCGM, which we're watching this morning. Kenneth, if you'd like to put your Weeble link in there for anybody to get some free stock, and that'd help you out as well, you are very welcome. Oxygen, just dropping off a little bit. I'm up 3%, as you can see. Right, we are now down to a minute and a half before the bell goes. We got 14 in now. We got a good crowd in. Fantastic. Give us a thumbs up and like the video. If you like the video, it will share it to more people, and we'll get more people sharing their tips with us this morning. We're watching McAfee rise. I would invest in this. I have to be honest now, the more I think about it, but I just do not have. There we go. There's Kenneth's link. If you click on Kenneth's link, he'll get free stock. You get free stock. Doesn't cost you anything at all. You're very welcome, Kenneth. You deserve it. You give a lot to the channel. All right. So there we go. And thanks to all of you, we're now on TikTok, and we broke record this morning. Look, 1,036. We go live now on TikTok as well. That's only a week old. Fantastic. Thanks for all of you for subscribing to our TikTok channel. And if you've not yet done it, the link is in the description below. But I'll give it to you in the live chat. You can do it while we sit here and trade for our futures and pensions. There are 14 likes. We are now one away from a record. Okay, thank you very much indeed. Kenneth said thank you. You don't need to say thank you, my friend. Appreciate it. Time for a cup of tea. All right, we're about to go through. Good morning, Patricia. Good morning. Our friends now from Italy have come in. Thank you very much. Give us a thumbs up. We are off and running. This is wonderful, wonderful news. Now, one more like and we'll equal our record. What a great morning this is. Now, look at this, folks. Bitcoin is about to go through and hit. Oh wow, we got 15 now. Right, okay. Bitcoin is about to go. We're going to see today this could go up to 50, and as you can see, I'm 30% up, 2.5 grand there. This is wonderful, wonderful news now. We've equaled our record. Right, the market is now open. Let's ring the bell. The main market is open. Let's keep our eye on McAfee. This could take off now, and I wish I had some money to put into it, but I don't. And there it goes. There it goes. Ah, damn it. This was Jonathan's tip. We knew this was coming. Rolls-Royce is up as well. See, look, my money's tied up in all these things. Walmart is up. Builder is down slightly. Oatly is up. Well, flat, right? We'll call that. Boeing is down slightly. OCGN just dropped off a bit. McAfee is now going up. This could be big. This could be big today. Robinhood pretty much flat, up 63. Wow. We've got a very, very excited trading going on this morning. We're very excited about it. And there you can see my drop. That's coming from space. It's down 5%. I can't do nothing about it. I'm not selling. I'm not buying any more. That's going down. There's nothing I can do about that, I'm afraid. Space down 5% today. I can't buy in. I'm just going to have to ride it out. I'm just going to have to ride that out, I'm afraid. There's nothing I can do about it. It's a bumpy ride, but it is what it is. Kenneth predicted it. We've got 15 now watching and 15 likes. One more and we break a record and I can blow the horn. So give us a thumbs up, folks. Let's see if we can do it this morning. Tesla is up slightly. Rolls-Royce, thank you, I'm up 12% now. Ocugen just dropping off. Remember, we stay friends when we're up and we're down. If this takes me back into, if I'm up with Ocugen, if I go negative with this one, me and Kenneth will still be friends. Okay. In fact, what have I got invested? Oh, $700. Right. Okay. McAfee. There's nothing I have to sell. Look, there's nothing I have. I'm now dropping off quite a bit, and it is SPCE that's doing all of that. SPCE is dropping, but this will come back when we get the next test flight. There's nothing I can do about it. I'm not selling down. That would be ridiculous. I've never lost on a trade. I'm not starting today. My belief in the stock is the same. So, you know, we're going to get days like this. I've just got to ride it out. McAfee now has seen some growth. There's the volume on it. Robinhood is good as well. Great. Let me have a look at my portfolio. What can I release to get into McAfee? Riskified. This has been great for me, but this is going to keep going. I do not want to get out of this. I'm not enough money anyway. I'm at 37% on Riskified. This is a great stock, by the way. Look at this. This is great. On the month at 37% and holding steady. So I don't want to sell that. That would be a bad play. GE, I'm down, so I can't. I've only got one share. Ocugen, no, I've just come into the market. No. U is going to continue climbing. There's a lot to go with U, so I don't want to exit U. This is U. If I look at the month, look, we're up there. I do not want to get out of this. I've made 46%. There's money there, but there's a long way for that to go, I think. My dividend stocks, no. I'm trying to get into more dividend stocks. Harpoon, of course, is constantly down. I'm waiting for that pop. That's where some money can come from. But obviously, I'm not going to sell it when I'm down. That would be pointless. So there's nothing I can do there. Happy McAfee trading. Thank you very much. How much is hot? How much is hot there in Texas, Marty? Here it's terrible. Yeah, it's very, very hot here as well. Awful. Over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. What else can we do here? BA. Sorry, that's a Boeing. That's down slightly. Lithium. I've only got 3 shares. I wouldn't want to be getting out with that. National Grid. That's where my dividends come from, so I can't get out of that. I only have 1 share of MasterCard, and that's up. Tesco's high dividends, British supermarket. Oatly, I want to get out of that, and I will when it rises. Figs, 3 shares. It's not nothing. I want to stay in Johnson & Johnson. Builder hasn't realised yet. So you see what I mean? I've got nothing really. I want to sell to get into McAfee, and that's how the market goes. You just sometimes have to watch it go away from you, and there's nothing you can do. Okay, I'm dropping now, big time. I'm down $1,000 now, and that is coming. See, Bitcoin is carrying. There it is. There's my losses. Look, Virgin Galactic is killing me, and Tesla a bit as well. I can't see where. Yeah, I'm down 600 from the open. So today's yeah, there it is. There it is. It's Virgin Galactic that is killing my portfolio right now. But remember, guys, this is the stock market. Stock markets go up, go down. That's why I preserve a portion of money to quick ins and outs. Yes, I do that. Jonathan. I'm trying to do that. But the trouble is, then something happens, then you spend it. I mean, if I had $2,000 now in my buying power, and as you can see, I have $5. No, 53. If I had $2,000, I would invest it in McAfee right now, and then it's gone, isn't it? I mean, it's gone again, And now I'm in McAfee. It's very difficult to keep money just sat there. But one thing I will tell you about Robinhood, which I absolutely love, by the way. This is absolutely fantastic. Robinhood pay you a really high interest rate on your money sat in your buying power as well. Look at this over on the app. Now in the bank you get 0.5%. No, 0.1, don't you? Look, 0.01. In the bank you get 0.01. With Robinhood they pay you 0.3%. That's higher than the bank, right? And as you can see, I've earned 32 cents, which I'll take it. 32 cents on Robinhood by having money in the buying power. So it's really great having money sitting there, and it really adds up as well. And they pay you on a monthly basis, and you accrue interest daily. It's really, really good. Another reason why I really like Robinhood, and another reason why I invested in the company in the first place. Talking of Robinhood in the first place, where are we? We're down 2% today, but that's way up from where we are. So I'm up 40%. Again, would not be selling Robinhood. That's all good. So I'm looking for a turnaround. I'm looking for a turnaround on SPCE. Kenneth, let's get Kenneth on the case. When do you think that's going to return? I know it's going to return when we get a test flight, and that's a couple of weeks away. They don't give dates for it yet. I've not been able to find any dates for it yet, so that's why I preserve a portion of my money. Shall I go live on TikTok? Shall we see what happens on my phone? I'm going to do it. I'm going to be live on my TikTok right now. Let's have a look at it. Right, I can do this. Only thing is, though, I might want to move. Yeah, I'm going to want to move my the phone. Right, here we go. We're going to be live on TikTok at the same time. Hang on, I don't know if I can get this right. All right, we're going to be live on TikTok at the same time, and we'll see if it brings us a crowd into the YouTube stream. All right, This will be interesting. Wonder if I can get this right. I can't go on my... Whoops-a-daisy. Don't want to break my camera. There we go. I can't go live on my computer yet. It's not giving me an RTMP server, but it is giving me the opportunity to go live. So let's do it, shall we? So let's go. Press this button here. So let's see what happens on this. Be interesting to see how this pans out. Let's get a position. There we go. This will be interesting, won't it? All right, so keeping an eye. Keeps going up. Another you missed out on is Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Maybe your Carnival Cruise Lines. Let's look at Carnival Cruise Lines. Thank you very much. I completely and utterly forgot about that. How can I forget about that? I got flipping... I got how much invested? 9,000. Right, it's down 1%. No, that's okay. But thank you, Kofi, for bringing that to my attention. Space is now going to drop a bit more. I do believe it's going to get walked down a bit, and it will be shorted the whole way down. News might be a turning point if it's good news. Okay, there's nothing I can do about it. I've got to follow it. There's nothing I can do about it, so I'm just going to have to accept it. It is what it is. All right. Here we go. Wish me luck, guys. I'm going to be live on TikTok at the same time. The Day Trader live. Let's see what happens. See if I get anybody. All right. Okay. This will be interesting. Done. All right. So I think I've done it. Go live. You must be 16 years old, 16 years of age or over. Am I? Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome to the Day Trader. We're live here on YouTube, and you're catching us for the very first time here on TikTok. All right, we're trading live here on the floor on YouTube. So if you want to join us, the link is in the profile. The link. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, how are you? Good morning. Click follow and support us. Hello, how are you? We're trading live on YouTube right now. The link is in the profile for you. Every day we trade live here on YouTube, and we share our screens with you, which you can't see, of course, because you're watching it on TikTok. But come and join us live on YouTube, and we go live every day. Martin Redding, we're trading live now. I am looking to get into space. Oh, you're gonna love this then, because if you can get in on SPCE, oh, look at this, it's going down and down and down. So I mean, whenever you get in, it's fine. You can sit around and wait for it, or you can just get on in. It's entirely up to you. I would get in whenever you feel comfortable. I'm in. If you just tune us live on TikTok, we're live on YouTube. If you go onto YouTube right now, the link is in the profile. You will see what we're trading. We're trading live here, and it's very, very. We've got a big day going on YouTube. So come and join us. We've got lots of screens around us, and you can see what we're trading live on. We've got a wonderful technical team in the chat as well, sharing with you their live trades. So come and join us. You can't see the big screens unless you go onto YouTube. The link is in the chat. All right. If you come on in, smash the like button. There we go. We got our friends from TikTok now joining us. So come on in and click subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. And you will see the live trades that we're doing. We trade with our own money here. With the most honest, upfront, transparent financial channel on YouTube and TikTok, because we actually trade with our own money, and we're doing it right now. I've got $51,000 invested, and we're watching McAfee. Let me go back to my live feed. I was in, made 30% on the last pop. Nice one, Martin. I know. Space is super cheap now. Wow. Yes, it is. I can't buy any more. I've got $5,000 invested in it. I can't buy any more. If you just joined us on TikTok, click the profile live on in the profile. Click the link in the profile, and it will take you to our YouTube channel. We're live right now, and you'll see us trading on the big screens. and you'll see what we're doing. We use TikTok to bring you into our YouTube channel, so please do join us. Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome to you all live on TikTok. Wonderful to have you. Click follow and be part of my crowd here on YouTube. Okay, so we're having a tough morning this morning. Virgin Galactic is down, but we are watching McAfee live. Bitcoin is about to break, which is what's holding my portfolio up. We're at 46 now. If you're just joining us live on TikTok, go to the profile and you will see a link to YouTube where we are trading live, and you'll see all my big screens. And we've got a great crowd. Martin Redding, I was in and I made 30% on the last pop. Let's bring that onto the screen. Let's look at Ocugen as well. Ocugen, wonderful stuff. Good morning to you, our friends over there on TikTok. We've got a great crowd now. Click the link in the profile and join us on YouTube, and you'll see us trading live on all the screens. McAfee is now up $30.17. This is going to pop today. It was a wonderful tip brought to us by Jonathan Brunette. Thank you very much, Jonathan, for that. Right, we've just got 15 minutes left of our show, and then we will be back for the closing bell. For those of you on TikTok, if you go to the link in the profile, jump onto YouTube, you'll see what we're trading on live here. Carnival is now picking up. There we go. Carnival taking off. Everyone, look at Carnival now. Look. Carnival is moving. That just jumped. That jumped quite a bit, and it's consistent too. Look. Come on, Carnival. I've got $9,000 here. This could make a big difference to my portfolio and get me back to that 52 again. OCGN is down today, 5%. There we go, OCGN. I'm down $23 now. With me and Kenneth, we're still friends. Remember we said this, we'll always be friends, up or down. We're not financial advisors, we are just trading our own real money here. Come and join us live on YouTube right now if you want to see what we're trading. If you're on TikTok, just click on the profile link and it'll bring you directly to my YouTube channel where we're trading live. Right, I'm starting to see a bounce. There we go, 51,165. That's great. Carnival is moving, look. We're getting this bounce. I knew this was coming. It's been up all week, 12% up all week. We're just down over the month, which is what you'd expect due to the Delta variant, but that's okay. Good morning, my friends on TikTok. Come and join us live on YouTube. We're trading live with real money. In fact, $51,000 right now. Sell. What are you talking about selling? Up 1% so far this morning. What are you looking to sell, Martin? McAfee? Wow, look at that. 7% now. McAfee is literally going to the moon today. That's a fantastic amount of growth there this morning for you. Congratulations, Jonathan. Let's put your message on the screen. If you just joined us, we're live on YouTube, on TikTok. Come and click on the link in the profile. We're trading live here. You can see what we're trading. We're trading live money. There we go. We got 16 likes. Let's give an air horn. We've got an all-time record live here on the channel. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe and like the video. Ring the bell and you won't miss a thing. We go live every morning and every evening live here on YouTube, and we share what we can with you on TikTok. But if you want the whole experience, you need to hop onto YouTube where we're trading live right now. Wow. Okay. So no. Plague ships. No, it's going to be fine. Carnival it's got a long way to go. Look at this. It dropped off for COVID. Once we get up to here, I'll sell. I'm not going to sell it now, Jonathan. That would be crazy. I know I've made $300, but I'm gonna 5-6 times my investment there. So no, I'm not selling right now. We're having a steady growth back up to here. Then I'll sell. So no, we're absolutely fine. I'm not selling Carnival. Riskified is holding up. U is up. I knew it would be. Harpoon Therapy, Bitcoin, of course. Here we go. It's gone through 46.5. This is going to hit 50 probably today. probably today. If you just join us on TikTok, how are you? Come and hop over onto YouTube. We're live trading right now, and you'll see what I'm trading with on the big screens. Live with my money every morning on opening bell and closing bell. Right, Jonathan says plague ships. I don't see that. It's right. SPCE 8% down today. My overall investment is 10% down. What a great opportunity for all of you today to get into SPCE. I can't do nothing about it. I can't sell, and I'm certainly not looking to buy more because it's big enough part of my portfolio. I'm just riding it out. Tesla is also down, but not much. Rolls-Royce, I told you, it's going up again. Up now 13% on Rolls-Royce. That's going to be massive. Walmart is up nearly 1.5% today. I'm nearly up 8% on that one. Builders, if you just joined us on TikTok, you wonder what I'm talking about. I'm live on YouTube right now, so hop over. The link is in the profile, and you can see me trading live right now on YouTube. If you click follow here and like, I'd appreciate it very, very much indeed. And you'll get to see what we're doing live here every morning and every evening for opening and closing bell. Right, let's bring up Jonathan's comment. Once I sell McAfee, I get some more space. You're ahead of the game. I know what you're doing. Oatly is down. I hate this now. Oatly worries me. Their stock has disappeared off the shelves of Kroger. Can't see it on Kroger anymore, so I don't know what's going on there. I want to get out, but I'm not going to sell down yet. I don't see alarm bells ringing just yet, but it's getting close. Boeing is up. Ocugen is down now. We're down 5%. This is following Moderna. Moderna, of course, is down as well today. So I guess, look at McAfee, look. If we'd have put money in McAfee this morning, it's a huge growth stock this morning. Wonderful, wonderful. If you just joined us, give us a thumbs up. We're a brand new channel, and we're live on YouTube. If you're on TikTok or Facebook, do come and join us here on YouTube, where you can see the screens and you can see what I'm trading. I'm unable to share with you my screens here on TikTok because I can't go from my computer just yet. So please do come and join us. You'll see us trading our own real money. We're honest, open, transparent, and we share with you our real trade. So do come and join us. Yet Space is down 10% now. Space is on sale, folks. Space is on sale. Give us a thumbs up and also subscribe and ring the bell. Okay, look at McAfee go. Jonathan predicted this. Jonathan, and look at the volume coming in now. And I'm sitting here doing nothing. This is what happens, and there's nothing I can do about it. There's nothing I can do about it. It is what it is, I'm afraid. Want to thank all our TikTok followers. We're now up to 1,036 followers. Thank you so much indeed on TikTok. If you want to watch us trade live, you can come over to our live show on YouTube. The link is in the profile for you, so come and join us. Once I sell McAfee, I'll get back in. Kenneth Brunk, our technical analysis in the live chat on YouTube. Can you share with us some updated information, please? My portfolio is dropping there right now. If you're in the live chat and you want some free stock from Robinhood, as you can see, I use the Robinhood app on my phone. Oh, there we go. That's me right now on TikTok. Hello. I'm just sharing that with everybody there on YouTube. How cool is that? There we go. All right. So if you'd like some free stock, we both get free stock if you click this link. The link for everything is in the description below this video, but it's also live there in the live chat. And if you get some stock, I will share with you. You will get free stock. I will share with you what I get as well, and we can trade it together. Wonderful stuff. Carnival. Up 0.5% today. SPCE Space is on sale. So look at this. This is what Jonathan's going to do. Jonathan, I know, is going to sell his position in McAfee and buy. Oh, what a steal that would be. You'll end up getting half your shares for free. That's what's going to happen here. If Jonathan sold now, right, we are up 8% today. In fact, from yesterday, yeah. What are we now? Yeah, we're up 8% from yesterday, from this morning. If he sold that now, he could buy SPCE at an absolute bargain price. It's like getting half his shares for free. McAfee is slow as molasses, but it's going up. I will be selling it at some point, just like Jonathan, and buy back in later. I'm up $366. Wow, you could buy yourself about 15 shares of Virgin for free at that position. Live on TikTok, good morning to you and welcome. We're live here on YouTube. If you want to be part of our live trades, we're here live every morning, opening bell and closing bell. Click on the link in the profile, and the YouTube link is right there in the profile. It'll take you directly to YouTube, and we are live right now, and you can see all the big screens I've got around me, and we're trading live with our real money. It's our real money. This isn't rah-rah. We're not trying to sell you anything. We trade with our own real money, and you can watch what we do and follow us and all the rest of it. Okay, we've got people now joining us on YouTube. Thank you very much indeed. Trading live with us. Give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much indeed. And we broke a record today. Got 16 likes. Let's hear it. Let's see an air horn. All right, there we go. All right, McAfee, it's still, look at this, look at this, look at this. And look at the volume as well coming in on the Robinhood app there. You can see it. This is absolutely wonderful stuff. Wow, I I can't believe it. It's frustrating. I can tell you, it's frustrating sitting on the sidelines watching profit dissolve before your eyes. We've got Jonathan. We've got Jonathan and Kenneth making money here, and they're going to come right back and buy into space, and there's nothing I can do about it. Geez, if these were a higher volume stock, I'd already have been out of this trade. Yes, it can turn, remember, so be careful. If you just join us on TikTok, we're live every morning on YouTube. The link is in the profile. We're trading live right now. You'll see me trading with my own real money. I can't share my screens here with you on TikTok, but you could come over and see us and give us a thumbs up, wouldn't you? And follow us here. Right, I'm at 50,800. I'm dropping off now, down 1% today. So I'm not going to win the competition today. I can see that. If you're on TikTok, give us a follow and like. Oh, there we go. Carnival is now moving up again, coming up to 1%. Thank you very much. I'm up 4% now on my investment at $372. If it turns, you get $4.50 per share dividend. Is that right? If it turns, you get $4.50 per share dividend. So, like, this is going to be hard to lose with. Blimey, what an offer. What an offer that McAfee has. If it turns, you get $4.50 per share. Blimey. So, like, this is going to be hard to lose with. Yeah, $10. This is just me practicing my real money. In a few over. Wow, what a deal. What an absolute deal. Hood is down today, 5%. We're just watching it as well. Hood is down 5% today. It's okay. Still up 5%. Still up 37% on that one. If you just joined us over here on YouTube, if you please do thumbs up and like the video. If you are watching this on TikTok, come and join us here on live on YouTube, so you can see what we're trading for you. All right, we've got 16 now in the chat. Okay. Wow, what a morning! Just 1 minute before we close here. What a morning! Good morning to you live on TikTok. We're trading live on YouTube. The link's in the profile. I can't share my screens here with you on TikTok, but you could see it if you just join us on YouTube. We're trading live every morning for the opening bell and the closing bell. Come and join us. Right, Carnival Cruise Line's up nearly 1% now. Let's keep an eye. Rolls-Royce up 1%. I'm happy with that. Tesla, look at SPCE. Down now 12% on my investment. Nothing I can do about it. If you've just joined us here on YouTube, give us a thumbs up, like the video, helps to show more people. What do you think? Well, you've already told us, Kenneth. You've told us about Virgin Galactic is going to be a long day for me, right? And there's nothing I can do about it. I can't sell out now. When is the expiry date for the dividend? I wish I understood that more clearly. That seems... So, when you say if it goes down, what do you mean if it goes down? What does that actually mean? August 12th. So we're tomorrow. So what does that actually mean? Good morning, welcome to TikTok. I'm live here trading for you. What does that actually mean, Jonathan? When you say what's the expiry date of the dividend? I can drop $23 and still break even. Jonathan's crucifying us. He's making me cry. Mr. Love says thank you very much, but I'm crying in my soup here. I'm crying in my soup. There's nothing I can do about it. Hold shares on the expiry date, and you get. Oh, I see. I see. If you hold the shares on the expiry date, you get the dividend, but you can't sell to the 13th. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. So this could be one of those. That suddenly, okay, usually on an ex-dividend, people bail because they get assured to get the dividend amount, and it's almost always drops the exact price of the dividend. But consider when the dividend is paid out, share drops. Oh, I got you. I've got you. Okay, that makes perfect sense. Look, you guys are. Kenneth, I think you're younger than me. Jonathan, I'm guessing you're younger than me. I'm 52. I'm more long term. A little bit more. You should be called the day traders. I should be called the long-term investor with the way I'm behaving. Carnival up 1.1% now. I'm just a bit slower on this, waiting for Virgin to bounce, and it will. I'm 44. There you go. You see, you're young and full of it, full of energy, and you're able to buy and sell quicker than me. So you're a daily traders. I trade sometimes by day. You've seen me. You've seen me live trade on a day basis. But there we go. 1.36 now. Rolls Royce, nice. Walmart is up. Builder is up. Oatly, awful. I want to get out of Oatly. Not interested in Oatly right now. It is what it is. There we go. Over there on TikTok, 1,036 followers. Thank you very much for following us over on TikTok. Good morning. Just welcome. Welcome. We're trading live here on YouTube. I can't share the screens with you here on TikTok, but if you click the profile, we're trading live with our own money on the stock market this morning. And the link's in the profile. Come and join us, and you'll see what we're doing. I am the old man, 58. Martin Redding is 58. Apologies for you on TikTok. You can't see. You need to be on YouTube. Just click the little link in the profile, and you'll see us trading live. And that is Joe Cole. Turn Tumor Tumza 418. I think that is. Hello. Good morning to you. Carnival is doing well now. 1.2. There we go. My portfolio, let's have a look. Yeah, it's fallen off a cliff. Look at that. And that is all because of SPCE. Wow. It's really, if we look at it now, it's over 3 months. It's lows down here at 19. I don't think it's going to go much lower though. This is a great look. Yeah, look at the averages across here. This is a great time to get in. Good morning, Tumes of 418. You're live on the Day Trader here on TikTok. But if you go into the profile, you can jump onto YouTube with us and see us trading live, and you'll see all the screens that we're sharing with the technical analysis, and we're trading with our own money. So do come and join us here on YouTube. All right. Well, guys, we're just about coming to the end of our show. It's time for me to disappear. I've got an appointment shortly for my ear again, for my vertigo. So I'm going to have to go in a minute. But we'll keep with it for a minute. This is... Leah, what time do we need to leave? Sorry? 10 o'clock. Okay. I've got a bit of time, so I'm going to stick with you a few minutes. Good morning to our friends. Marlon Thompson over on Twitter. Good morning to you. We're live on YouTube, trading live, so you can see our big screens. Click the link in the profile and join us, and you'll see what we're trading live here on Robinhood. And we're having a bumpy ride this morning. Carnival is up, but the big news of the day, if you want to see it, is McAfee. McAfee is going to the moon, and I got my traders here, Martin, Redding, Jonathan, Kenneth, trading live. Good morning, Marlon. Good morning to you. Thank you very much indeed for joining me live here on TikTok. Hop over to YouTube right now. Links in the profile. You'll see. Martin Redding says, I am the old man. No, you're not. You're not old at 58, mate. I would have said you were old 20 years ago. Now I'm going, you're not old, mate. You're not old at all. I'm 52. That's young. All right. We're getting some sell-off now, McAfee. If you can see that. Robinhood is just starting to bottom out a little bit, so hopefully we won't go any lower. Over there on TikTok, we've now got up to 1,000, still 1,036. I wanted to see if we get any new followers this morning. Marlon has joined us. Marlon is friends. How are you, Marlon? Good morning. Marlon, we've only got a couple more minutes of our live broadcast. Hop onto the YouTube link quick, and you'll see what we're trading live here, and we can share our tips with you. Carnival is up now. Bitcoin is about to go to 46. If you're just watching us now on Facebook and Twitter and TikTok, come and join us on YouTube. Give us a thumbs up, like the video, and that will help us get seen by more people. People taking profit, yes they are, which means it could start to drop. It'll get there, okay? And subscribe and ring the bell. Wonderful stuff. We broke a record this morning on YouTube with 16 likes. That's wonderful. But on my portfolio, I'm down over $1,000, and that's pretty much all been with SPCE, Virgin Galactic, as you can see. But again, Bitcoin is holding me up. 46. This is about to break to 50. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes to 50 today, because it has held this 45 strongly through this period here, 24-hour period. So I'm expecting a pop now, which would be wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Marlon Thompson over there is still watching me on TikTok. Lovely to have you here. But do click the link in the profile and join me, because you can see a lot more. I'll share with you on my screen what's going on. Okay. Carnival, Riskified is up. Long-term play for this one. Let's keep our eye on. What else? Ocugen. Me and Kenneth are still friends, even though I'm down $31. Ocugen. I've got $700 as well invested in this. I wouldn't want to keep seeing it go down like that. That's dropping off quite a bit, isn't it? And if we look at it, I mean, could we regard this as 45 cents? It was at 45 cents. Hang on a minute. Let's not go there again. Oh my God! If it goes down there again, I'll lose everything, won't I? So nothing I can do about that. I can't sell now, can I? Ocugen. Hey, I was holding it for a swing trade. I executed the trade already. I wasn't holding it long term. Okay. Is this? What do you think, Kenneth? Is this going to keep dropping down? Good morning. Good morning. Welcome. Helio's joined. Good morning to you, Helio. It's keeping on going down. Ouch. Do you think I should get out now and cut my losses at 32 then? What do you think? I mean, in the past year, I mean, it's been holding this, look, hasn't it? It's been holding this level for a year. Okay. I'm gonna sit with that. But when it goes up again, I'll probably get out. We'll see. Good morning, Chris James. You just joined us on TikTok. We're live on YouTube. If you go over to the profile, right here on the profile is a link to my YouTube channel, and we're trading live here on YouTube, and you can see what we're doing. Wonderful stuff. Well, I'm down at 58 now. Kenya said it was a swing trade. Well, like I said, it's been beaten up a lot, and it gets good runs, but it won't really be a good stock until it gets some solid recognition. Okay. Well, okay, I've got to swallow that, I guess. I just hope it doesn't do. But look, see over the, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna stick with that. What is it doing today? Down 6%. Is it a buying opportunity? Are people buying it in? We'll have to wait and see. They have a vaccine candidate coming. Phase 3 trials to do. Okay, that's good. We were at 16 likes. We dropped back to 13. 3 people have said, no, I'm not liking it anymore. What's going on there? How does that happen? Never mind. Okay. All right. Well, we're coming to the end of my show now, so I've got to get myself off. Thank you very much indeed for coming into the live stream on TikTok. Thank you for joining us over there on Facebook this morning. We've got a crowd. Come over to YouTube next time. That's where we need you, in the live chat. All right. That'd be absolutely wonderful to do that. Hold. Yeah, I'm going to hold. I am going to hold. I'm being beaten up today. I'm being beaten up with my Ocugen. I'm being beaten up with my SBCE. And now I'm being beaten up with my likes on YouTube. We're now down to 12 likes. We were at 16. 4 people have unclicked the like button. How did that happen? What did I say? What did I do? Okay, I'm down 11% today on Virgin Galactic. Nothing I can do about that. Oatly down as well. I'm having a tough day. This is a tough day for me. Just gonna have to take it on the chin. McAfee is dropping back a bit now, so we've seen some growth, and now we're seeing it drop back a bit. Yeah, there's the sell-offs coming. Robinhood picking up again now. Over there on TikTok, 1,036. Did we lose any followers? No, it's all the same. Just keeping our eye on that as well. All right. Well, it's been a wonderful morning. Thank you very much for joining us. Hope you've all enjoyed it. It's been a tough one for me. Hey, I've already had 2 stop losses activate. It's a rough morning. It's all part of it. It's the ups and downs. But remember, it's all about the overall growth. Look, the overall growth. The stock market does what my portfolio is doing here. You up, you down, but overall, long term, you grow. My belief hasn't changed. My belief in Carnival is the same. It'll have ups and down days. I could take profit today, but I'm not going to. I'm going to leave that. So, Riskified is up. U is up. Bitcoin is up. It's funny, isn't it? The most volatile thing you can invest in is the one thing that's is better to me than anything. Can you imagine if this dropped away? It would crucify my my portfolio. There we go. Virgin Galactic. Are we seeing a bottom out? Are we seeing a bottom out now? Let's have a look at this. Expand that out. Let's expand that out. Oatly down 5%. Yes, it just popped up on my app to remind me. Thanks for that. Let's have a look at it. Sell all the way down. Look at that. Look. I'm in Ocugen. Also, I bought a call plus 6. Oh, you bought an option call. You bought a call plus 60 shares. What should we do? Well, I am staying where I am. Kenneth and Jonathan, would you like to add to that? Kofi has said, I'm in Ocugen. Also, I bought I bought a call plus 60 shares. What should we do? Give us more details on your call. I've never got into puts and calls and all that option stuff yet. I'm still learning. Kenneth has told me a bit about it. What's the expiration date of the call? Yeah, we need to know some details. Your prices, your execution number, date, all that stuff. And Kenneth will offer his words of wisdom. The oracle. Finally seeing some really nice growth. 14% now on Builder. I knew this was going to go up. This is a good solid growth for me as well. There you go. There's the question. What's the expiration date? Oatly. Boeing is up 1%. Nice. Ocugen down 5%. McAfee now is starting to drop off. There we go. But still up nearly 6% though. I mean, we wouldn't... but you're seeing sales coming in now. So there we go. Robinhood picked up a little bit. Here is the day trader. 594. Shall we refresh the screen? Did we get any more subscribers today? 594. Nope. Same today. 594. We didn't pick any up today. Okay. Right. We're now coming to the end of the show. I've gone a bit over because obviously we got some really big stuff happening now here. Carnival is now continually climbing. A slight drop off there. And what's the expiration? And the strike price. Absolutely. We need all that information, Kofi. We'll stick with you. I won't end the show until you get your answer. I will stick with you, Kofi. I know you're concerned. On the dividend expiration date, is it date of record? On the dividend, Martin says, on the dividend expiry date, is it date of record at opening or closing? Jonathan will give you the answer to that. He has that information. And we're waiting for Kofi to give us the answer to Ken's question. What's the expiration date on the call? Yeah, we need that information. Just a call doesn't tell us anything. Hoping to see SPC. Finally we got some buying coming in. Finally we got some buying. In general, OCGN is long-term hold. If you are willing to stick it out. I am. Absolutely. Thank you very much. Kenneth Brunk, long-term hold. Yeah. Yeah. That's how I feel. I'm not going anywhere. So, in general, there we go. Let's put that information on the screen for you. If you've just joined us, give us a subscribe and ring the bell. We really appreciate it very much indeed. But more importantly, give us a thumbs up. We want to get thumbs up because thumbs up promote the video on YouTube. We really appreciate that very much indeed. So there you go. Long-term play. That's it with me. I invest in things that I feel comfortable I can leave and not just in and out. But then, having said that, Jonathan is doing very, very well doing exactly that. The vaccine isn't their only vertical. It's just the most popular. There we go. Carnival stabilizing. Riskified, okay. You, okay. Bitcoin, good. SPCE. We are seeing some sales come in to SPCE. Martin, I actually don't know. I actually don't know. You're talking about SPCE right now. Yeah, there's nothing I can do about it. I believe in the company. I believe in what Richard Branson's doing. It's perfectly normal. Look, shares go up and down. But look, there's a line. You can see it. See that straight through the middle. Look. rising line. See that there? That average there, you can see it. Clear as day. There's a line there progressing up. You know, and look, we have these test flights. We drop off. And each time we rise 54, 55. You know, from down here at 30. What was that? 33. Look, everything is going the right direction. I'm okay with that. Yeah. I'm absolutely okay. Well, it is September the 24th. September the 24th. I'm not a... Well, no, I don't know enough about options. I've not done it yet. I keep looking at it, keep thinking about it. I don't feel comfortable with it just yet. But nevertheless, all right. $5 call, but I already sold the 60 shares already. $5 call, but I already sold the 60 shares already. Oh, okay. Now, Kenneth is the one who can best give the answer. I don't have enough experience with it yet, so I don't want to put my hat in the ring with that one. There we go. Let's put that information on the screen. McAfee is special dividend is payable on or about August 27th, 21 to shareholders of record at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on August 13th. There we go. Let's add that to the screen. I have always wondered, because it is a question because of McAfee, I'm just getting into day trading as an adder for long-term stock in my IRA. Okay, to its the 13th. Thank you, Jonathan. There we go. Thanks for all that information, everybody. Really, really useful stuff. What a great community that we have here on the Day Trader. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Right. Okay. Final look across the board. McAfee has got a nice line trending across there now. Seeing some more buying coming in again. Hood down 4% today. All right. Well, that's it from me this morning. I will tell you, I've been beaten up. I've been beaten up all across the board this morning. I'm down $1,300. I'd like to keep above the 50. Just psychologically, it looks better. Without putting the call into an options calculator, I wouldn't know if it was more sensitive to price or volatility. Either way, it's a bit of a gamble. Options is always gambling. You're always predicting something. That's why I don't do it. I'm not at the moment fully into the idea of options, because you are predicting, and as we can see, markets can do their own thing. Kofi appreciates that. Thank you, Kofi. It's a bit of a gamble, so it's not for me, because you're predicting the future all the time on one way or another. I know a lot of people do very, very well on options. I don't do leverage either. I don't borrow money. I don't use money I can't afford to live without for a while anyway. Options confuses me. Yeah, it does me too. It does me too, Jonathan. I feel the same way. Kofi, look up what the Greeks are in relation to options. They may help. Look up what the Greeks are in relation to the options. That may help. Not into options, too risky for me right now. I'm a meat and potatoes guy. There we go. I'm the same. I invest in what I believe, what I understand, and that's the best way. If you understand options and you feel comfortable with it, then it's fine. It's like some people wouldn't touch Bitcoin. They don't get it. They think it's horrible. Well, it's my best asset. So there we go. All right, guys, we're going to knock it on the head now. It's been a good morning. Great crowd, record number in, but it's come at a cost to me. We're down. I missed out on McAfee. Couldn't do nothing about it. We had it ahead of time. Jonathan had us aware of McAfee ahead of time, and there's nothing we can do about it now. And I want to thank everyone for joining me. All right. I'll be back again later on today for the Drive Home Show live here on YouTube, Facebook, my website, the groups, TikTok. So we shall see how we go throughout the day. I'd love to help more, but it gets complicated and I don't want to send you in the wrong direction. Will do. I appreciate the insight, Kenneth and friends. Absolutely. Always honest on this channel. We don't have any FUD. We don't have any drama. We just share our opinions. We're always learning, and that's what we want from this channel. All right. That's it from me. So it just leaves me to say, God bless America. God save the Queen, and help me sit here and feel confident that my shares will return. I do feel that. And I will see you all back later on for the closing bell. Dave has just joined us. Dave has just joined us on TikTok. We're just finishing the show now. Good vibes from Kenneth. Final words from everybody. All the love, all the good vibes. Thank you very, very much indeed. Now I see. The good vibes actually means it's a little emoji. Didn't realise that. I've been reading good vibes thinking you were typing that out. Now I can see it's an emoji in the chat. There you go. Now see, look, good vibes, and you got this. I actually thought was you were typing it in. Now I realise it's actually emojis in the live chat. All right, good stuff. See you all later. God bless America. God save the Queen. Take care of yourselves and each other.